Ready to turn that Apple gift card into a symphony of endless music? First, let's ensure that shiny gift card doesn't gather dust. Find the App Store icon on your iPhone. It's the blue one with the Amative tools. Tap it like you're tapping to your favorite beat. Great! Now, in the App Store, seek out your profile icon, usually located at the upper right corner. Select your profile. On your account page, you'll see Redeem Gift Card or Code. Give that a tap, and you are moments away from injecting fun to your Apple Music account. You'll be presented with options here. The easiest way is to use your iPhone's camera. Position the gift card so the camera can read the code automatically. If that feels futuristic, you can always choose to enter the code manually. Boom! You should now receive a confirmation message stating that your gift card has been redeemed and that the funds are showing in your Apple account balance. Apple Music. Here we come now. Head over to your Apple Music app and access your account settings. You can normally do this by selecting account or profile icon. Look for Manage Subscription and give it a tap. Your Apple account balance will automatically be used to cover your Apple Music subscription fee. Easy peasy. And there you have it. You've successfully used your Apple gift card to fuel your Apple Music journey. Now, crank up the volume, explore millions of songs, enjoy personalized playlists, and manage your digital tunes wisely. Don't forget to subscribe.